Hello, today we will be taking a look at the contents of the Braccio Rescue Kit. So this is the package that the rescue kit came in. This is a receipt. The actual kit. And this is just some padding, shipping protection for the kit. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Slides open. And then there are 3 smaller boxes on the inside. So this box has a servo motor. It says motor SR311. This one has some of the spare parts it says on here, and this one has another servo motor. This is the SR431. This one says it's an SR311 for the other servo. This one looks smaller too. So let me see what the small servo looks like. Okay, so this one looks like it works for the gripper portion. It says it's motor 6. And this servo is motor 4. It has one of the joint placements on the brushing of the servo. I don't know if you know this, but the Braccio parts are made out of plastic and the screws are metal, so if you tighten the screw just a little too much, it can shred the plastic. So that's why there are many parts that already came with the original kit that you can replace where the screw is attached to the servo. So they understand that the plastic parts can wear off or get shredded. So that's why you have a little extra. And I also got some because I plan on using my Braccio for an extended period of time, for maybe years in the future. So that's the 2 servo motors. And let's see what the parts are. Yep, there's a lot of these. So there's a spring for the base, another spring for the base, 2 springs for the base. One of these, I forgot what you call them. There are some that are cotter pins, but this fits inside the one of the joints by the brushings of the motor, and it controls the claw opening and closing. It controls the gears at the claw. And then there are 4 screws, 3, I believe these are 3 millimeter or 2 millimeter. I have to grab the manual to find out what the sizes are exactly. So that's a 2 millimeter screw, and the other one is a 3 millimeter. Yep. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of these plastic joints that can wear away. So that's what's inside of the Tinkerkit Braccio Rescue Kit. Thanks for watching.